And then we can take that off and make that look nice around the fender. When we put the hood back on, we know to shim it on that one side because it was shimmed when we took it off. This blanket is full of dust. Just everything was dusty underneath you. Just everything is dusty. Like look at the top of the velvet. Look at the top of the breather.
How dusty it
Look,
is.
it's dusty in there.
We trapped it good.
It did. Did so. Beautiful. It's gorgeous. Not as good as you though, Jolene, baby. It's nice though, I can tell you that.
Yes. I really like the color.
You should, you picked it.
I know, but I wasn't sure when I seen it in the can.
Yeah? I'm just gonna go here and take the wheel off. Ross, if you're watching, she could have handled black, no problem whatsoever, buddy. She could have handled black, whatsoever. Could have handled no problem whatsoever. Beautiful.
Yeah.
It's quite nice.
Yeah, it is.
Another thing too with that, you know, looking at the body work and stuff like that, in the way that I'm sort of doing it, it gives you, I guess, the process that I have, where I'm flooding, like if you don't recall, or if you do recall, the bodywork was completely the whole side of the car because of the holes that were welded up for the stainless, and it went right down through the middle of it, and right down through the middle here. We had to cut the wheel well open, obviously, to make a fender skirt for it, so we had work to do around there. We messed with the bumpers back there. We had to mud the whole side. We had to mud pretty well the roof, or the back of the roof, and around the window because we've chopped it. All the top of the doors and all that stuff had to be figured out and filled out. Side of the fenders and all that sort of stuff. Basically, if I would have spotted it, if I would have did, you know, each little hole with one spot there, one spot there, one spot there, one spot there, then I have a chance to see my bodywork around each hole. Where
I don't think you're in the camera.
Ah. I'll just talk then. You go ahead.
I just don't want you to be pointing and not showing.
Basically, what I'm saying is, when I'm doing it with the DA and the primer, when I'm doing it with the DA and the primer, everything is. Remember, I said nothing's below the ocean floor. So basically, all the body work was done. When I hit the ocean floor, I'd stopped. So basically, there's no spot in the body work where you're going to see where it's not feathered out, where it's not looking right, because I've taken everything to the highest place. Where it's at the highest place now, everything looks nice and smooth and straight. If I did not put enough on, then you have that chance of seeing something. And that's where I get the confidence to use the DA with the 220 and the 400, because the body work is done so the ocean floor is not visible. It's got a flood on. I flooded wherever I did body work, it was flooded. And what I mean by that is it's covered until no metal is showing. Not that it's a big deal.